Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to connect your phone to the Honda head unit. Mine is a Honda Civic SC Plus 2015 Generation 9 UK hatchback. My head unit has the CMRDRIOD installed already. So what you need this HDMI cable that has data transfer. It's called display port alternate mode, DP alternate mode. That's what your phone this HDMI cable needs. So I'm going to connect it. Damn it, turn this on. So what you need to do is you go to the HDMI. Sorry guys. So now I'm gonna connect this to my LG wing. So on the LG wing, you need to make sure the power supply is changed to file transfer. So there you go. That's the first step. But watch what happens when you start driving off. So in order to keep using your phone while driving, the system is kind of slow because it's an old unit. So what you need to do, you need to hold down the brightness and menu at the same time for 1 or 2 seconds, and then hold down the power button, all three at the same time. So I'm going to do this while I pause the video and get back to you, because last time I did it and then I reset the head unit. So there you go. You hold down the 3 buttons together for 5 seconds, and then you're going to enter the hidden menu. So what you do is you select the second one, and then you press the menu button for 7 to 10 seconds. So 1, and then you enter the second menu. So scroll down until you see the VSP error, and then turn that off, and then return to the main menu. Audio, sorry guys, my LG wing, if this happens, just disconnect it and then connect it back. So connected it back. So now you can drive off while your phone is connected. So this is the first step. Now I'll show you the second step. So the second one, or the second way of connecting your phone to your head unit, you need a Fire Stick. So this is the Amazon Fire Stick, and then I've got this HDMI extender, because when you try connecting your Fire Stick directly to the port, because of this edge, the size is too big, so it's difficult. So you need an extender like this, and then you power up your Fire Stick with your USB. So I'm gonna connect this. Okay, it's connected, and then we power it up. Now it's powered on. So go back to your HDMI. I'm gonna pause everything until it all loads. Okay, Almost there. So of course I've got no internet connection. So now with your Amazon Fire Stick, you hold down the home button for 5 seconds or 3 seconds, and then go to mirroring. So now I'm going to mirror my LG wing. So select it. So already connected. So that's it. Very, very easy. I've got the CMRDRIOD installed already on my phone. Already on the head unit. And I'm sure even though you have the original Honda Connect, it should still work. So like I said, you can start driving. And then I'm going to repeat the same process again, because every time you turn off your car, you have to repeat the VSP error all over again. So let's start all over again now. You saw me turn off the car and turn it back on. So okay. So back to the Fire Stick. Okay. Yeah, there we go. And then when you start driving, so remember, before driving off, as soon as you start your car, so the brightness menu together and then the on is going to be difficult, so I'm going to pause it. Okay. Second menu, hold down the menu button for 7 seconds. Scroll down, VSP, off, main menu. There we go. Start driving off. Easy. So yeah, so you just either need Amazon Fire Stick, get one of these, or any HDMI extender so you can plug this into your HDMI port, or just get this 4K. It doesn't have to be 4K as long as it does the display port data transfer. Oh, damn it. That's all that matters. Type C.